buy one. I don't have one. I'm a terrible person. Tried to steal the train, but you caught me.
We didn't. We ran to the train because we were almost late.
I want to steal it.
How many persons?
4.
I should pay every punishment that exists.
Until where do you want Budapest Galaxy or?
Budapest. I don't know.
You don't know, okay.
I have no idea. Somewhere in Budapest.
Okay. 4 persons?
Budapest.
4 people, please, yes. How much is this going to cost me?
163. For 4 persons.
Aren't you concerned about my mother not being able to get Christmas presents this year? Because I spent all my money on the train to Budapest.
God, yeah.
I'll call her. Don't worry. I'll call her as soon as we're done and let her know.
Yeah. That's
That
fine.
you took all her money.
Call the
Yeah.
hospital that she's in.
Yep. So no medicine for you, I'm afraid. You're just going to have to die.
Grandma too.
So please enter your code. Thank you.
We're texting bye. What's your name? Sorry, what's your name?
Lena.
Lena.
Yeah.
It's Lena's fault.
Yeah.
Thanks for life. See you next time.
You should thought about that earlier before you got on the train because it's more expensive in the train to buy.
My plan was when you were coming, I was going to keep walking, like hide.
Yeah.
And then I got really lazy. So then, like a combination perfect storm, and here I am, bankrupt.
Oh. But you can send a nice postcard to your mom for Budapest.
Yeah, that's true. The last postcard she'll ever get.
Yeah, include the ticket. See, Mom, that's my Christmas present to you. So the tickets for 4 of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come.
Bye. Nice meeting you.
Did you see the tickets?
Bye.